The $3 turbo is $3 turbo is a cash machine. Basically, it's a one-time payment of $3, and they give you the cookie cutter website, and it's basically a simple website that you get, and it's already pre-made. It's just you connect it to your PayPal account, and it's cheaper than if you were to try the hosting fee. There's no hosting fee, so all you pay is the one-time payment of $3, and then drive traffic to this website, this one-page website, and you just pretty much go from there, making automated $3, 100% payouts, and the potential is unlimited. So, like I say, you can be making, like it shows right here, $15 a day, all the way to like $90 a day. I've even, on a good day, you can make $300 a day or more or whatever. People are averaging about $3,000 a month, so that's the average. Once you get everything in place, and like I say, everything is pretty much done for you, just for $3 and no hosting fee. A lot of sites they get you with the hosting fee where you're paying like $5 or $10 or an annual fee, or you have to do some sort of renewal. No, this is permanent. Like once you pay for it, it's yours, and all you have to do is share it. Now, if it sounds like something you're interested in, like I say, $3 isn't much. It's less than a cup of coffee. So, if you're interested in that, check it out. And go to the website, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and check out the links below in the description, and see what other opportunities I have to make money online if that's what you're interested in. Thank you.